Good morning, students. So today's second lesson we will start. Okay, multiplication and division of integers. So here something you should know. First, you see multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Okay, so earlier class we have done multiplication and division of integers. Okay, or rational numbers. Okay, so is also same. Like rational number we have done division, multiplication. In fraction also operation is almost same. Here first one you see multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Okay, here you see a example. You see 9 into 5 by 36. 9 is one whole number and 5 by 36 one fraction. So first step what we have to do, and one thing you have to keep in mind, this 9 into 5 by 36 means what? This 9 will come with the numerator. Okay, 9 will come with the numerator. Okay, first step what we have to do, if we have to see whether any common term is there or not. Okay, common factor is there or not. If there are any common factor, cancellation we have to do. First we have to cancel out. So you see here 9 and 36 they have common factor. So by 9 we can cancel it. 9 ones are 9. Okay, wait. Okay, first step what we'll do, 9 ones are 9 and 9 fours are 36. Okay, equal to how much we got? 1 into 5 and by 4. This 1 we will count with numerator and equal to what? 5 by 4. Okay, and next step what we have to do, we got this one 5 by 4 is what? Improper fraction. This one we have to represent in mixed fraction form. Okay, so if you divide 5 by 4, 1 4 is 4, again 1 will remain, and division you can do at side part. Okay, we'll get 1 by 4 as a mixed fraction. So first step what have to do, any common factor is there or not, we have to see. If there are any common factor, cancellation we have to do. After that this result we have to represent in simplest form. Okay, if it is improper fraction we have to represent in mixed fraction. So next point you see here, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Okay, so these two fraction you see 18 by 5 into 30 by 36. Okay, so here first thing what we will see, any common term is there or not, common factor. So 18 and 36. Okay, by 18 ones are 18 and 18 twos are 36. Okay, 18 is common between them, and by 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. So always we have to cancel out between numerator and denominator. Numerator and numerator we cannot cancel, and denominator and denominator we cannot cancel. Okay, we have to cancel out by the common factor between numerator and denominator. So next step you see, in numerator here 1 into 6 and here 1 into 2. Oh wait, again you see here between this 6 and 2 again common term is there. By these 2 ones are 2, again 2 3s are 6. So again no common term is there. Here 1 and 3 is there, numerator, denominator 1 and 1. So 1 into 3 and downside denominator 1 into 1. That means 3 by 1 ultimately equal to 3. Okay, so this is our multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Next point you see here, multiplication of mixed fraction. So to multiply mixed fraction what we have to do, this example you see, first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, 5 1 by 4. So if you convert into improper fraction, 5 4s are 20 and 20 and this plus 1, that means 21 into denominator will remain same, 2 7 2 7s are 14, and with this numerator we have to plus 14 plus 2 16. So now next step what we have to do, by common factor we have to cancel out. Okay, so you see here 4 and 16 they have common factor by 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. Okay, and again this 21 and 7 you see, by 7 this one 7 ones are 7, this one is 7 threes are 21. Again, no common factor is there. Okay, that means ultimately numerator 3 into 4, denominator 1 into 1 equal to 12 by 1, ultimately equal to what? 12. Okay, so next point is what? Reciprocal of a fraction. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal, you know, that means reverse, opposite. Okay, reciprocal of fraction 7 by 8 is what? 8 by 7. That means numerator will come to denominator and denominator will go to numerator. Okay, and 5 by 9, reciprocal of 5 by 9 is what? 9 by 5. Okay, this point you have to remember. Okay, so next point you see here, fraction as an operator. Fraction as an operator. You see here, when a fraction is used with the word of, okay, sometimes we in sentences we get of. That means suppose, wait, fraction as an operator. Okay, so sometimes we, when a fraction is used with the word of, it acts as an operator. Okay, it acts as an operator. For example you see here 4 by 5, 4 by 5 of 100 kg, 4/5 of 100 kg, it is off coming. That means this fraction 4 by 5 is acting as an operator of this 100 kg. Okay, that means 4 by 5 into 100 kg, 4 by 5 into 100 kg. Okay, that means see here 4 by 5 into 100 by 5, 5 is denominator and this 100 is in numerator. So by 5 we can cancel 100 20 times. So 4 into 20 kg, 80 kg. Okay, so next two term is the 2 point is there. These 2 point you have to remember. When a proper fraction acts as an operator, when a proper fraction acts as an operator, its outcome is always less than original value. Okay, for example you see 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is an proper fraction, its value is less than 1. Okay, 2 by 3 of 30 apples, 2/3 of 30 apples. Okay, 2/3 of 30 apples will be how much? That means of means what? Multiplication. Okay, of is there means this 2 by 3 is acting as an operator. Okay, of means multiplication. That means 2 by 3 into 30, 2 by 3 into 30 what? By this 3 we can cancel 30, 3 tens are 30. Okay, that means ultimately 2 into 10, 20 apples. Okay, you see here initially original how many apples was there? 30 apples. Whenever you multiplied by 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is what? Proper fraction. Whenever you multiply these 30 apples by proper fraction, what result we get? 20 apples. That means 20 apples is what? Less. Okay, so always you will get the outcome is always less, okay, than original value. Next point you see, when an improper fraction acts as an operator. Okay, when improper fraction, if an improper fraction acts as an operator, the outcome will always greater than its original value. Okay, for example you see same example we have taken here. Here 2 by 3rd, 2/3 we have taken. Here 2/3 we have taken. Here we have taken 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 of 30 apples. 3 by 2 of 30 apples. 3 by 2 is what? Improper fraction. Okay, so 3 by 2 of means what? Multiplication. 3 by 2 into 30. So by these 2 we can cancel 30, 15. Okay, so 15 into 3 ultimately how many apples? 45 apples. So result you see 45. Originally we have it was 30 apples. Okay, after multiplying by 3 by 2, that means by improper fraction we got 45 apples. That means our result is more. Okay, these 2 point you have to remember. Okay, so whenever any quantity you multiply by a proper fraction, its value will be less than original value, and whenever you multiply by a improper fraction, its value will be greater than original value. Okay, so now some exercise we'll do. Okay, You see here, multiply the following. First one, you see 5 into 3 by 7. 5 into 3 by 7. Okay, directly I am writing here equal to. So first you see any common term is there or not. Okay, no common term is there. Okay, so directly we will multiply 5 into 3 and divide by 7. Okay, so 5 will come with numerator. 5 3s are 15 and 7. So next B number, you see 20 by 27. 20 by 27 into 15. Okay, first you see any common term is there. Yes, between 27 and 15 common term is there. By 3 we can cancel this both. Okay, so by 3 we can cancel it 9 times. 27 into 15. Okay, so by 3 3 9s are 27 and by 3 it is 5. Okay, again no common term is there. Okay, so equal to 20 into 5 and here 9. So 20 into 5 100 and by this 9. If you convert this one into, this one is what, improper fraction, we have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so division you can do in your copy at side part. Okay, here directly I am doing. So 9 ones are 9. Okay, first this 10 will divide, 9 ones are 9, again 1 remaining, 9 ones are 9. Okay, so again how much will remain? 1, and our remainder will be 9. Okay, so our remainder will be 1 and denominator is what? 9. 11 1 by 9. This is one mixed fraction. Okay, so next C number, you see here multiplication of two fraction. 25 by 8 into 12 by 5. 12 by 5. So common term, so by this 5 we can cancel. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again between 8 and 12, by 4 we can cancel it 2 times. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, so again no common term is there. Okay, ultimately how much you got? Numerator 5 into 3, numerator will multiply, and 2 into 1, denominator will multiply, equal to 5 3s are 15 and 2 1s are 2. This one you have to write in mixed fraction. Okay, so 2 7s are 14, 1 will remainder. Okay, again denominator is 2. This is our answer. Next D number, you see here mixed fraction, multiplication of mixed fraction. So first step, we have to convert them into improper fraction. Equal to, denominator is 2, 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 1 9 into 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10 and denominator is 3. So next we see any common factor is there or not. Okay, so here by 3 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. By 2 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. So no, again no common factor is there, na? So 3 into 5 here and 1 into 1 in denominator. So 15 by 1 equal to 15. Okay, so next your remaining exercise you have to practice. Okay, in your exercise 2.1, exercise 2.1 in your book, this all you have to do practice. Next, the second number question, you see find 3/5 of 50 kg rice. Okay, that means what fraction? This one, proper fraction. Okay, this 3 by 5 is acting as an operator, so our result will be what? Less than 50 kg. You can find, you see here 3/5 of means what? Multiplication into 50 kg. Okay, so by 5 we can cancel it 10 times. 10 5s are 50. Okay, how much you will get? 3 into 10 kg equal to 30 kg. Okay, so our answer is what? 30 kg. So result you see, initially it was 50 kg, result we got 30 kg. Okay, that means 3 by 5 is what? Fraction. Proper fraction. If you multiply by proper fraction, our result is less than original value. So next B number you see, 5 by 3 of 60 kg rice. Now this is improper fraction. This time you see 5 by 3 into 60 kg. Okay, so this one is improper fraction. By 3 we can cancel 60 20 times. 23 is 60 equal to 5 into 20 kg equal to what? 20 into 5 100 kg. Okay, so result you compare, initially it was 60 kg. Whenever you multiply by 5 by 3, our result become 100 kg. That means whenever you multiply any quantity by an improper fraction, its value always what? Increases. Okay, so next from your exercise, exercise 2.1. Okay, I have said already, this multiplication question number 1, 2 and 3. Exercise 2.1, question number 1 all, question number 2 all, and question number 3 all. This is your homework. Okay, all these you have to practice, and in your homework copy you have to write all this. Okay, thank you.